underground shooting range, attic catwalk, and light upstairs. So these are the top 3 viral videos that I posted last month.
Yep.
I'll shoot for that thing sitting in the
24 inches apart. Why don't we all have catwalks? And I'm talking about in the attic. So you can see this is a very obvious place to walk, so you can reach everything up in the attic, your air conditioning system. And then even when you have places like storage, you have a nice obvious area where everything goes. Typically you're gonna have spots like this. Like in my attic, I don't really have a good location to walk. So this is all blown in insulation. I can't see anything. I gotta feel around to find the joist so I know where to walk in my attic. But here, this is a much better situation because you have a very obvious place to walk and you don't have any of those concerns where you might possibly fall through the roof because you don't know where those floor joists are. 24 inches apart. Let me know in the comments, is that something that you'd pay a little extra for to have a catwalk like this? Or do you just prefer it to be open and then you just deal with it when the time comes?
It's disgusting how cheap these are. Sean Green shared this to my Facebook group, and after going on Amazon, I was blown away to see that they started at 200 bucks. So there's a sensor that activates the light and then turns off after a designated amount of time. They're a legit wired setup, so almost a necessity if you're gonna be building a new house. What do you think? Do you like this style of stair lighting? Would you consider it for your house? All right, so which one of these viral videos was your favorite? And also, let me know in the comments, what kind of home building videos or topics would you like to see me cover next month?